Hey, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Gonna give you a little walkthrough tour. 2020 Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard. Boat's equipped with 150 horsepower, 4-stroke Mercury outboard. Got the beautiful tan interior. I love that we have a portside walkthrough. We can actually walk down into the boat. It's a really large 19-foot sport boat. Plenty of seating. 2 captain's chairs. Depth meter, Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Really nicely upholstered inside, nice finishes. Got a lot of storage in the console here. A large ski locker in the floor. And then wraparound seating up here in the bow, along with speakers. And nice chrome stainless grab handles. This is Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070, showing you a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard.